In the die mold industry, now we are facing many challenges in this world, right? Including India. We have short of manpower. We need a stable machine. We need a machine with high accuracy, with good productivity. My name is Neo Eng Chong, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer, President of Makino Asia. The F6 Vertical Machining Center. The F6 Machining Center is an expansion of our existing F3, F5 machine, which most of you all could be very familiar with. So the F6 machine is a machine that's specially designed in Makino Asia, Singapore, and this is really a machine with the highest accuracy, with the kind of rigidity, with the kind of precision that you need for the die mold industry, right? So this machine now comes with a bigger wide stroke and is also very good for your mold-based machining as well. So with the increased productivity and a slightly wide stroke, I think this machine will meet all kind of needs that you need for your die mold sector. Makino is a global machine tool company where we supply the full suite of machines catering to the die mold industry, from vertical machining centers, horizontal machining centers, 5-axis machining centers, as well as single electrical discharge machine, as well as the wire cut machines. As you know, in India, we also have a factory that's located in Bangalore and also a fixture factory in Coimbatore, right? So we know that for the Indian market, India has now evolved to become a very strong manufacturing country whereby they will need good machines. That is where Makino will play an important part in supporting this important die mold industry. So do drop by our booth, talk to our people, and we will help you with the solutions that you're asking for.